Viidakkopolku Stigen, 4 staircase 9874135, a Schindler, built in 2000, completed in 2001, 5 floors. Dropped a relic. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2020. 5 floors. You're probably turning 20 years old then.
Yeah.
I have seen this from 1998 and 99 as well. So this is like late 1990s.
It's nice that Schindler trees could come on in the Helsinki region.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, it is of course. Good variation.
Yeah.
Not only Coney all the place.
Yeah.
These lights are quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like these. They're like bubbles. Today is the 5th of August 2019. This used to be the alarm button, now it's there.
Yeah.
There on the doorway, that's Schindler, usually it does. On this Schindler elevators.
That's